Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, Python 3. 8+ and requests or HTTPX installed. Do that now. Next, export your API key into an environment variable so you avoid hardcoding secrets. Then choose the endpoint URL and HTTP method. Decide if you need query parameters or a JSON body. Once done, open a small script, import requests, and compose a simple get with headers equals authorization, F bearer API key. Run it to verify connectivity and basic authentication. You now build the request payload carefully, using dictionaries for JSON and setting content type appropriately. This ensures the server parses your data. Then send the request inside a try/, except so network errors don't crash your program, and inspect response. Status code to branch logic on success or failure. If responses are paginated, iterate using next links or page params. Make retries with exponential backoff to handle transient failures, and include sleep to respect rate limits. This prevents throttling and keeps your client robust. You finalize by securing credentials. Use of vault or environment variables and ensure HTTPS for all traffic, because secrets leak on plain HTTP. Then write tests that mock API calls and validate response schemas so your integration stays stable. Once deployed, monitor logs and metrics for error patterns. If things go wrong, enable detailed logging and capture the full request and response, headers, status, and body so you can pinpoint mismatched content types, auth errors, or rate limit responses. That single tip resolves most failures fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.